Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will talk about slide master view. Um, we'll see how we can modify the slide master view. So first of all, we'll open the presentation and we will go to the slide master view. Then we'll try to see the screen tips. Because for every slide we are having approximately 9 to 10 um, slide master views. Okay, so we'll see inshallah. So let's go to the slide and have a view on the slide master view. Now remember one thing, that whatever the layouts we are having, all these layouts are available in the slide master layout. Okay, so no, whatever the layout you are using, you can format that layout as per your choice, and it will not impact. For example, if you change something for this layout, then this will not impact this one or this one or this one. Okay, so we'll see inshallah. So let's go and see that what kind of layouts are we having. Now if you see here, this is our module slide master, and remember, all the layouts, any change you made on this one will be available on all other slides. So you have to be very careful while you are making change on this one. Okay, so for example, you change the size of this heading. Oh, it will impact all. Can you see that? When I move on this one, it says this module used by slides 1 to 10, because I am having 10 slides. So it will impact all slides. How about this one? Oh, this title slide, we are having only one slide for this layout. Let's go for the third one. Oh, this title and the content, we are having like 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 6 and 10. Looks like 6 slides we are having for this layout. So let's change, make a change on this slide and see the impact on the main slides. So for example, I inserted a picture on this layout. Okay, let's look at like that. Go for this normal view and look, when I come to this slide, you see that it's having image. It's having image. Why it is having image on all slides? There's something wrong, huh? Let's go and see. Let's go and see. Why is the image, we are having image on all the slides? You know why? Because I put it on the main slide. You got it? So I don't have to put anything on the main slide unless I need it. So I removed from the main slide. Let's go and see. Okay, now my slides looks fine. But my concern is I want to put slides, for example, on this one, on this slides, I want to put it. So let's go and see the slides. Okay, now this is my master slides. I'm not going to touch this one. I'll go to this slide, okay, on this part. So what I'm going to do is I'll put my picture, insert my picture on this layout. Can I do it from here? No. So I have to go here and insert photo, go for this one, click insert, and now it is on this part only. Okay, now let's go and see the all slides. Okay, very good. It's not on the main, it's not on the second one. Okay, how about this one? I got slide number 3. You remember 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. So wherever I use this layout, it applied on those slides. So let's go back and fix the problem. Okay, I just go up. I said click on the slide. I say, hey, can you please align it to the left side? There you go. Let's go and see the impact on the slides. So slide number 3. I got an issue, man. You see, expert, it's on the top of these, and see here the bullets are here somewhere. So there is something. I mean, I need to fix it. Let's go for another slide. Oh, all my contents, you see, contents are on this side. There, either I have to fix all slides from here, okay, for the, I can go and click and drag, and then go for the next slide, and then I can fix this one. Okay, if you have to fix this one, yani, I have to do something like that, you know, for all slides. No. This is not a good way. Okay, even this one, you see, contact us and all this stuff. So let's go to the slide views, shift and click on the normal, and then I can say, okay, this one, please move it to this part. And then I can say, hey, move it to this part. Now you see that? So the picture is on the left side and the text is on the right side. Okay, guys, this date, I don't need it because it's covering the part. And I can move this one to the left side, you know, and I can use the arrow keys to move left or right, or I can click on this one, shift and click this one. And I can go to the format, I can say align left. There you go. Now I did changes on this slide, you know. So what is this slide, by the way? Slide number 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 is using this layout. So all these slides, and 3 and 5 to 8, and then 10 will be, so click on the normal. So I can go back and you see that. So the contact us, so it is now on this side. All slides are fixed now. You see, all slides are fixed. No one is overlapping on the image. There you go. So this was the exercise. So we did the thumbnail. We have seen the thumbnails, and then we insert the picture. We align to the left, yeah, and then we resize the title and the content because they were overlapping. Then we delete the placeholder and align the footer placeholder to the left. Okay, so the next one is, yeah, I insert the image, and now I can go for the slide master view for 2 contents layout, because, and I have to delete the date, and from title only as well I have to delete the date. Okay, so let's go and see. So I have to go to the slide master view. I can shift and click, or I can go from here, view and master slide. There you go. So I can go for the 2 content, title and 2 content. Is that right? Title and 2 contents, this one. So I have to remove the date from here, and then I can click this one and I can click this one. Okay, and I can say format align left. There you go. And then I can go for the title only. You see here, the title only, I have to remove the date. I can click on this one and I can move on the left, but I don't know how far this one is. So I can click both of them. I can select both of them by shift and click. Then I can align left. There you go. So now all my header and footer for the 2 slide view layout, they are fixed now. So let's go to the, see what we have. Let's change the slide master, module slide master, and see the impact. Okay, and then title slide will change the color yellow to the heading. So let's go and do these 2 things. First of all, I'll change the I'll go to the layout, shift and click, or I can go from the view and slide master. This is my title. You see here, this is the title one. I can just move my cursor, title slide layout. So I want to change the color to yellow. Okay, this is yellow color. I can go and pick the yellow color. There you go. Just close this one, slide master. I can go to the slide master. I can close this one. You see that? Now it is yellow. And this heading is brown. This heading is yellow. Very good. Now let's go back to the view and a slide master. I'm gonna go to this one. You see here? And I wanna change the, for example, I'm gonna make a change here. Font to 24. There you go. And let's see the impact. Let's see the impact. I can close. I have to go to the slide master and then close. Okay. Can you see here? This impact, this is the impact, this is the impact. You see? On almost all layouts, it is having an impact, except the title layout. The title is a bit different, huh? So the title is different, but other slides, they are having the impact. You see here? Let's go back, shift and click the normal. Quickly go up and oops, and then go back and change this to 45 and change to 45. So I should be having the same stuff. Okay. Now let's go. That's it for today. In the next lecture, we'll be talking about smart art diagrams, and we'll talk about animation to the graphics, and then we'll talk about header and note page handouts. How to insert header to the handouts and the note page. Kafara Majlis. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.